FBS is an online broker that offers transparent trading conditions for major instruments including forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies, which are all connected by lightning-fast execution through the ECN architecture. In this video, we thoroughly examine the broker's credibility, leverage options, spreads, and more. Regulation. FBS is a brand name used by Tradestone Limited, which is a Cyprus-registered company, registered with CSEC, ASIC, IFSA and FSCA. Due to its status as a Cyprus investment firm, FBS is covered by the compensation scheme, which safeguards customer investments in the event of a broker's bankruptcy. Account types. Regardless of your level of experience, the account types at FBS offer both demo and real trading accounts that provide you with just what you need. You have the option of starting a standard account or cent account, which is ideal for beginners due to its much lower requirements and risks involved. FBS offers a total of 6 account types, and we're going to cover all of them. 1. Cent account. Minimum deposit, $1. Spread, from 1 pip. And the leverage is up to 1 to 1,000. 2. Micro account. Minimum deposit, $5. Spread, from 3 pips. And a leverage of up to 1 to 3,000. 3. Standard account. Minimum deposit, $100. Spread, from 0.5 pips. And a leverage of up to 1 to 3,000. 4. Zero spread account. Minimum deposit, $500. Spread from 0 pips. And a leverage of up to 1 to 3,000. 5. ECN account. Minimum deposit, $1,000. Spread from -1 pips. And a leverage of up to 1 to 500. 6. Crypto account. Minimum deposit, $1. Spread from 1 pip. And a leverage of up to 1 to 5. Click on the link in the description of this video to open an account. Deposit and withdrawal. FBS charges no fees for both withdrawals and deposits. However, always make sure to check with your payment provider directly in case any fees are waived, depending on your country of origin. Trading platforms. The FBS copy trade apps and non-dealing broker technology allow for the quick market execution of trading orders. After logging in and registering, the FBS website gives customers access to 2 different MetaTrader trading platforms, MT4 and MT5, for trading and investing in a variety of assets. Customer support. FBS prefers to give 24/7 customer support through live chat or a callback request. Overall, FBS can be summed up as a reliable and credible broker with extremely inexpensive trading fees. Additionally, the spread is quite little and is regarded as low risk. FBS relies on fair trading services and offers a chance to every trader, regardless of skill level or even investment size. Click on the link in the video description to get started. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and see you next time. OMG Pips. Signing out.